Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KaspaRex token. Ticker symbol is KREX. Now obviously this is on the KASPA blockchain, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon, and we're going to go over the information on the KREX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a web page, KaspaRex.com. If you go over there, you're going to find all the links. They have a Telegram, they have a Twitter, YouTube channel, Discord, Instagram, Facebook. They have a login button. They have chart, mint options, info about KaspaRex. They have stories, plans, users, links to the KREX Foundation, the Zen Bee Club, all sorts of links there. If you want to follow the Telegram, it is at KREX Token. And they have 485 members. 182 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the project, ask questions, that type of thing. It says, don't miss your chance to be among the first to hold the legendary KREX token. It says, buy now and secure your place in the KREX world. Then they have a link to the Casper bot, where you can actually get this token here at KSPR_home_bot on Telegram. And you can find that link on their Telegram there. You can find this token at kas.fyi/token/KRC20/KREX. And that's where they have the statistical information. Like it says, the market cap for this token right now is $3,256,941. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $169,806. Token price right now is 0.00015 USD, and it says it is up 16.59%. Now, right now they have 2,090 holders. They've had 9,060 transfers, and it says mint count 1 million. Now, this token here was just announced on Twitter, on X, that they will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. So besides the Casper bot, where you can get tokens, it says at XT Exchange on Twitter, XT will list the KREX token soon in the innovation zone. Stay tuned for the schedule of deposit, withdraw, and trading. So it doesn't give you an exact time yet, but if you follow at KREX token on Twitter, which is the Twitter I'm going to put right in the screen right here, or you follow XT Exchange on Twitter, they're going to announce soon when the listing date and time will be. Then you'll be able to get the token off XT. So if you don't have an XT account, you could download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section when this token gets listed and search KREX, and then simply just buy the token. Now their Twitter here, you can see they have 1,004 followers. They just joined in June 2024. Blue verified check mark, 192 posts. And yeah, at KREX token there. And so in their pinned tweet here from a couple hours ago, it says, big announcement. We're thrilled to announce that KREX token has been finally approved to be listed on XT Exchange. Now, XT Exchange has actually listed a whole lot of KASPA meme coins in the past. It's an exchange that very much is involved with KASPA, the new tokens that come out, especially the big ones. And it says, this milestone marks a major step forward in the KREX community and the entire KASPA ecosystem. And there's more info about that on Twitter there. Some dogs going crazy outside there. Anyways, their webpage is at KaspaRex.com, and it says, the hero of tomorrow, the first story-driven KRC20 token on KaspaRex. Now, it says, KREX is a charismatic half-human, half-reptile cryptography master, founder of KaspaRex and the creator of the KREX token. Known for his cyber cool style and unmatched intelligence, he is the protector of KaspaLand, a futuristic and mysterious metropolis. Now, KaspaRex, the largest underground crypto database center in KaspaLand, hidden and fortified with advanced cryptography designed and overseen by KREX, is a vital resource for the network, safeguarding critical data, assets, and operations. Now, the KREX token is more than just a digital asset. KREX token represents a gateway to wealth, influence, and superhuman abilities for those who invest in it. Embedded within the core and framework of the KASPA network, the KREX token is central to KaspaLand's digital ecosystem. KaspaLand is a vibrant, futuristic world where advanced technology, cryptography, and digital networks shape society. Styled with cyberpunk aesthetics, it's a realm of digital cities, hidden crypto markets, and a vast underground data hub. Now, they have here the Zen Bee Club, which is a secretive elite club founded by KREX for the brightest minds and the most loyal investors in KaspaLand, reserved for those who demonstrate exceptional skill in cryptography, cryptocurrency, and digital innovation. So welcome to the thrilling world of KREX's adventures. So you can learn more about KREX and why is he unique? Why would you invest? The tokenomics, we pretty much went over that already. And yeah, so it says no airdrops, no pre-sale, no pre-allocations. They have a full white paper you could check out as well. They're going to come out with a game, their multi-level swap platform. There's going to be partnerships and merch, promotions, global events, and all this stuff you could check out on their roadmap. They have the KRC20 magazine, and then they have KREX on the cover of it. The last one was, almost all four of the previous ones are videos that I've already done. And all these tokens, I believe, also got listed on XT as well. These KASPA tokens, all KRC20 meme coins like Bert, Kango, Conan, and Casper the Ghost. So check out those videos as well if you're not familiar with those tokens that I've done before. But yeah, go check out KREX, KaspaRex at KaspaRex.com. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.